All right, hello everyone. This is a Kubernetes 124 release team meeting. My name is James Laverack. I will be your host today. I am the release team lead for Kubernetes 124. This is week 16, Tuesday, the 26th of April, 2022. And if you are here with us today, please put your name in the attendees list. Note that this meeting, as with all of our meetings, is covered by the CNCF Contributor Code of Conduct. So please refer to that document for all your interactions with us here today. I don't have any particular open discussion items. I will move on to enhancements. I don't think do I have enough enhancements? No, I don't think I do. I don't expect any particular update from them. So let's move on. CI signal. Leonard said in Slack he couldn't make it, but updated the notes. And I see that we are green with no failings, which is fantastic. So I'm pretty happy about that. Moving on, bug triage with Dipto.
We are green, just this one release notes issue there. Other than that, all blockers have been merged or finished. That's it.
Which issue is that, sorry?
The release notes issue, the one which they are discussing about.
Oh, yeah, the known issues one. Okay. Yeah, cool. All right, looking good. Thank you. Any questions for bug triage? Nope. Okay, moving on. Docs. Don't think. Do we have anyone from Docs? Nope. Okay, I have no particular update from them. I need to talk to Nate because there's some weird issue that I need to find out. Go away. I'll get to that in a moment. Release note. Oh, release notes. One of my browsers finished freaking out. Could people still see my browser?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's visible. Yeah.
It just in a moment there. Right. Release notes. Anyone from release notes? Nope. Okay. Comms.
Okay. So I've marked our status as yellow because we are tracking feature blocks for the release. We are tracking them to get them in. Our plan is to get the Docker shim removal and the a few other blogs about graduating to stable issues out first out in the first 3 days of the release, and then they'll be followed up by graduating to beta and graduating to alpha feature blogs. So we'll be working on them priority wise, and I think we are deciding on the dates for the press release. Yeah. James, you're in the loop. So yeah, that is it from comms.
Nice, looking good. Anyone have any questions for comms? No. All right. Nabaroon also couldn't make it, but put the update here. Set for RC1 today, subject to CI signal go no go, and don't wish to speak for CI signal, but it looks like a go to me, so that's pretty good. And yes, our last release blocker got resolved, which is that Windows issue, but that's been fixed now, which is very nice. If I do wonder if it needs to be cherry picked to 124 release branch, I need to follow up on that one. I don't have a particular update from Joseph. For me, what have I been doing? I have given the team leads a copy of the release theme and release logo. I actually need to go through and write up some verbiage to just explain the theme as we normally do in the release blogs, which is going to get added to the release blog draft in due time. So that's coming along nicely. We've been doing a little bit of major theme discussion, and that looks to be going pretty good. So I think the GitHub discussion at this point is largely wrapped up. I think that all the major themes that are going to be proposed have been proposed. So it's just kind of a bit of editorializing down, which shouldn't be so bad. Yeah, in general, things are looking pretty good. Does anyone have any questions for me?
No.
No. All right. There is one docs issue which someone's saying is a release blocker, but I'm not entirely clear what's going on there. So I'm going to go try and figure that out and talk to Nate about it. other than that, yeah, and no particular update from scalability. All right. Does anyone have anything else before we end the meeting?
I'm just wondering how useful this meeting is because it's just the five of us right now,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
was wondering if we should shift it to a later time, the one that
yeah,
we had before.
I think so. I think for our last one we should. I think for the one next week, the last one, I will move it to a later time. It
Okay.
kind of ended up here, I think, because I wanted one that Navroon could make because it's largely for him, if you
Right.
see what I mean, because
Mhm.
he's the one gutting the RCs. These things are going to be on the day 4 there. But yeah, I think this last one I'll change. I'll start a thread in Slack about moving this to a later date, but even just back to the original time.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Cool.
Anything else from anyone?
Nope.
No. All right. I am going to end the recording.